Good evening, and it's Warspite, aka Warspite the Wargamer, back with a quickie and another trip down to the high street stores and our well-known German-owned supermarkets. If you like what you see and hear, please feel free to give me a thumbs up or subscribe, and if you really like it, please tell others. So, what have we been seeing in the high street stores in the last few weeks? About a year ago, I posted a brief video concerning artificial grass of the sort sold through both Aldi and Lidl. Prices vary. I think one was charging £6.99, the other one was charging £9.99. Well, a year later, it's back, and it can currently be found in Lidl, and this time they're charging £7.99, as you can see here. The size is 1 metre by 2 metres, so call that 3 foot by about 6 foot in old money. Handy little stuff, cheap and easy to cut. If you're doing a larger Wargames table, you could of course buy 2 pieces and slice it down to cover, say, 8 foot by 6 or whatever. Currently in the middle of Lidl at £7.99. I've actually bought myself another one. I'm intending to cut the second one up and cut it into 2 squares and save it for doing photographic and posing stuff, etc. So it's the artificial grass, 1 metre by 2 metres, £7.99 in Lidl. I'm mainly an acrylics man, acrylics and a little bit of polyurethane, but just occasionally I want to dabble with oils. It's not really an area I know much about. I don't want to spend a lot of money, but again, if you hit the German-owned supermarkets, here this is Lidl, you can find box sets of oil paints ticking over for about £4.99, which is not bad if you just want to mess around and play with it and see what oils can do. So again, it's middle of Lidl, £4.99. In addition to oils, the German-owned supermarkets do end up with boxes of acrylics. This is one I spotted a couple of weeks ago, and when I was in my local one tonight photographing the green mat, I also spotted they're now selling some acrylic inks. Again, not something I've played with, but if you want to play with it, head for there. I'll put a little tail ender on this film, linking you back to the earlier film I did on the green mats. Have a look at that, and they're in the stores at the moment.
This has been a Warspite production. If you've enjoyed this, please leave a thumbs up. If you've really enjoyed it, please feel free to subscribe. I look forward to seeing you next time. This is Warspite out, and have a very good day.